Hey everyone, got another video up in the works for you here. Well, I did finally succeed in getting this one picked, but just couldn't get it to happen on video. So I'll have to save that one for another time. And we'll go after this Yale right here. This is, well, Bill Bacardi, number 57. And he left me a note on this one because I complained to him a little bit about his biddings, and he's giving me a hard time. He says, I went easy on the bidding on this one, bud. Gotta love that. Great community here we got. So let's go ahead and take a look at this lock and see if we can't get into it. Let's see if I can bump the focus up one way or another. There we go. I finally set my camera to do manual focus, and we're going to see how that works out for us, whether or not it's going to be too much work for me or not. And I got a couple of picks picked out that I want to use. One of them is a 20,000 Sparrows short hook, and then the other one is a medium hook that Bobby Keys sent me. And I think I've told you all before, I love this hook. So let's start with one, nothing. Click from two, little false set. Nothing on three. Click off of four. Nothing on five. Little click off of six. Little five coming back. Okay, so let's go ahead and switch to the Sparrows pick and go off of the warding here. Nothing on two. Counter on. Or nothing on one, counter on two. Nothing on three. We'll click off of four. I'm having a little bit of trouble getting underneath the 5 and 6. Okay, got to click off of 6 now. I think my next victim is going to be pin 5. Yeah, it feels like it, but it feels like I'm going to overset something else in the process. And I think I may have already. Well, something felt pretty good there. I think I overset somebody, so I release tension, drop some pins back down. There we go. I think I got something there. I'll click off of 3. And 5. There we go. Open this up. Nice. Good luck. All right. Let me grab my pin and tray. You know, my Desk is a little bit of a mess because of this pile of locks way back here, but I'm making a whole bunch of challenge locks today, hopefully, and tomorrow. Okay, I've got a bendable clip here. And then with that bendable clip, I can use these pliers here. I got a frog in my throat, something terrible. There we go. Okay, I didn't feel any T-pins, but that is a really, really long cylinder. I'm going to see if I can't shim it. Alright, shove the shim all the way through. Alright, so no real overset traps in this one. They all definitely had to be picked. So let's go ahead and dump these out. Oop. Dropping stuff. Okay, all standard key pins. And looks like all stock in the cylinder here. And there's my tweezers around here somewhere, always. Okay. That would be a problem. Whack it down real hard, see if that loosened that pin 1 up any. Pin 1 stuck. There's pin 2's a spool with a very long steel spring. I've got a spool in 3. Another very long steel spring. Then another spool and a steel spring. We got nothing but spools here, folks. We like spools around this place because they give us good feedback and they're fun to pick. All right. If I can get my throat to clear out, then we'll see. But let me that one is stuckity stuck. Yep, pin 1 is stuck, and I'm going to have to actually drill this out and repeen a cap on that to fix it. But let's go ahead and show you what we do have in here. Okay, and focus. There we go. All right, so you can see we got all standard pins down below. Then we've got nothing but spools up top. And one is either a spool or a standard or something, but the spring must be wrapped around it. But I've got all the same springs up top too, so pretty fun little lock. Kind of a stockish lock, really. Fun times though. I love picking spools, and they're fun to pick. They give you great feedback. And still, even though Bill Bacardi said he went easy on the bitting, that's not really what I would call a real easy bitting, especially on a Yale, guys. So Bill, thanks for the lock. I'm going to go ahead and fix chamber 1 here. And everyone else, please stay safe. Don't do anything illegal. And as always, please like, comment, and subscribe.